Hello and good morning. Today let us look at Taurus Ascendant and the seventh house. The Karatattvas of the seventh house is marriage and the timing of the marriage. Now here the seventh house has moon who is aspecting the lagna. The parameters are ascendant, seventh house, seventh lord, lagna lord, navamsha lagna, seventh house from the navamsha lagna, moon and Venus. Moon and Venus should be looked at both in the Rashi chart as well as in the navamsha chart. Now, in the Rashi chart, we have the moon aspecting the lagna. Therefore, the lagna and the seventh house is clean. Lagnadipati Venus is posted in Libra, is aspected by Saturn. Therefore, there might be a slight delay. Mars is in Rahu Ketu axis in the fifth house. Navamsha Lagna is gone to Gemini, which is the second Amsha, which is very good. And the seventh house from the Navamsha Lagna is Venus is posted, which is positive. Therefore, on the whole, we can say this is a very positive chart. The native will get married and we be comfortable. Let us look at the Dasha Bhuktis that can give them marriage, that can give him marriage. Mercury Dasha began in 1996 and Mercury Dasha, Moon, Mars, Rahu are the contenders for marriage. Now, Mars Bhukti is in 2004 in the month of March and 2005 is Mars, 4 is Moon, 5 is Mars and 5 August is Rahu. Therefore, in these three periods, the native can get married. The best possible transit that is probably in 2004 in the month of February, where Jupiter is posted in Virgo, which is on the seventh house, seventh Lord Mars, and Saturn aspects from Cancer to the seventh Lord Mars, thereby fulfilling the double transit. I hope this video was useful to you. Do like, share, subscribe. Follow me at G3 Astro. Signing off, Gayatri. Have a good day. Bye-bye.